Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick guide on how to disable the Filter All Messages feature on Discord for PC, thanks to the new updates. If you've been having issues receiving direct messages, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so we can easily access the settings. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll spot a little gear icon next to your username. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to enter your user settings. Now you're in the Settings menu. On the left sidebar, scroll down until you see the Privacy and Safety option. Click on it, and this will take you to the privacy settings that control how you receive messages and friend requests. In the Privacy and Safety section, you'll find various settings related to direct messages. Look for the option that says, Do not filter direct messages. Clicking this option will allow you to receive all messages without the automatic filtering that may have prevented some from reaching you. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully disabled the filter for all messages on Discord. Enjoy a seamless messaging experience without missing out on any important conversations. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. See you in the next video.